Hey guys, what's up? You can see this is our topology. So we can now configure GRE. Okay. How to configure GRE? I can see. Okay. So first of all, you can see this is our three router, two switch, and four PC. So first of all, we can configure our PC IP address. Okay. IP 192.168.1.10 255.255.0 and our default gateway 1.1. Yes, so you can see our configuration successfully and go to our PC to 192.168.1.11 255.255.255.0 and our default gateway 1.1. Okay, you can see our PC2 configuration successful and go to our PC4. Okay, IP 192.168. Okay, 192.168 4.10 and our subnet mask and our default gateway 4.1. Now you can see our PC4 configuration successful and go to our PC3 configuration IP 192.168 4.11. Okay, and our subnet mask and our default gateway. You can see our PC3 configuration successfully. So now we configure router 1. Okay, go to R1 and configuration interface pass Ethernet 0 by 0 IP address 192.168.1.1 and our subnet mask. Then no shutdown interface pass Ethernet 1 by 0 our IP address 192.168.2.2 and our subnet mask. Okay, then no shutdown. We can now exit and go to our router 2. Okay, enable configure terminal. Okay, then fast Ethernet 0 by 0 IP address 192.168.4.1 and our subnet mask and no shutdown. Then interface fast Ethernet 1 by 0 IP address. Okay, 192.168 3.2. Okay, and our subnet mask. And we are now exit and we now go to router 3. Okay, router 3 enable config terminal interface bus Ethernet 1 by 0 and our IP address 192.168.2.1 and subnet mask. Okay, now here no shutdown. Okay, interface bus Ethernet 0 by 0 we can now configure IP address 192.168 3.1 and 255.255.255.0. Then no shutdown. Okay, so our R1, R2 and R3 configuration successfully. So secondly, we can now configure router EIGRP. Okay, so router, first of all we can go to R1 and router EIGRP. Okay, router EIGRP1 and network 192.168. Okay, 1.0. Then network 192.168.2.0. Okay, and exit now and go to router 2. Okay, router 2 and router EIGRP enable. Then network 192.168 168 4.0 and network 192.168 3.0. Okay, we can now exit and go to router 3. So router 3, router EIGRP1 and network 192.168. Okay, 2.0 and network 192.168 3.0. Okay, we can now exit and go to PC1. PC1 to PC4 we now pinging. Okay, ping 192.168 4.10. Our EIGRP successfully or not, we can now check. You can see our EIGRP is successful. So now we can go to third step, okay, GRE configuration. So first of all, we can go to router 1 and uh, interface tunnel, okay, interface tunnel 1, then IP address, this IP address we can use, okay, 192.168.5.10, and our subnet mask, okay, then tunnel source, okay, tunnel source, this is our fast ethernet 1 by 0, so I can shoot fast ethernet 1 by 0, I mean I can write fast ethernet 1 by 0, sorry, fast ethernet tunnel source fast ethernet 1 by 0, okay, yeah, tunnel source, fast ethernet, sorry, fast ethernet 1 by 0, yeah, then we can write tunnel, okay, we can write tunnel destination, okay, destination, we can tunnel destination this IP, okay, destination 192.168.3.2, okay, we can now exit. You can see this is our interface tunnel 1, change state up to up, okay, so we can go to router 2, okay, router 2 and tunnel, so you can see our router 1 tunnel configuration end, okay, so and we can now go to R1 R2 configuration tunnel, okay, so interface tunnel 1, okay, now we can write IP address, we can write IP address this IP 5.20, okay, 192.168.5.20, and our subnet mask right here, and we can now tunnel source, okay, tunnel source our fast ethernet 1 by 0, fast ethernet 1 by 0, and tunnel destination, okay, tunnel destination our 192.168 2.2, okay, then we can now exit. So you can see our status up, okay, so our configuration successfully or not, why I check, so you can ping PC1 ping to this, I mean router 2, okay, 192.168.5.20, yeah, you can check our GRE configuration is totally successful, okay, so in this video we can show how to configure GRE mode, okay, so thank you so much.